We empower asset owners to safeguard their infrastructure with cutting-edge solutions like automated defect mapping, acoustic sounding, high-resolution 3D modeling, and change detection. Our optical dataset is captured using high-resolution cameras mounted on drones and proprietary robotics-based systems, providing unparalleled detail for analysis. We utilize our patented drone-equipped concrete-sounding hammer, which collects thousands of acoustic data points to accurately identify delaminated areas on your assets. With our advanced machine learning model, we enable high-resolution, multi-layered detection of both surface and subsurface defects. This technology powers our cloud platform, AUTOSPEX, which automatically identifies and quantifies defects, offering precise and efficient analysis. AUTOSPEX features a built-in 3D viewer, allowing asset owners to examine high-resolution 3D models for detailed inspections. The platform's change detection capability, based on millions of real-world images, provides valuable insights into asset changes, aiding in tracking and informed decision-making. Additionally, AUTOSPEX automatically maps delamination points on the asset defect map, helping you efficiently monitor and track delamination. The location feature simplifies identifying specific zones and elements of your asset. The Focus Area feature streamlines the identification of critical zones, enhancing team collaboration and ensuring targeted attention to key areas. Join us in redefining infrastructure resilience. Explore how Niricson's advanced analytics and automated tracking transform asset management today. Visit Niricson.com to start your journey towards safer, smarter infrastructure.